Most people pick reward apps randomly and end up disappointed with low earnings or slow progress. Here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay and long game are not built the same, and choosing the wrong one can completely change your results. In this video, you will learn the real difference between Mistplay and long game in 2026, how each app works, which one actually pays better, and which one fits your goals depending on how you want to earn. Let's break it down simply. First, Mistplay is a mobile gaming rewards app. You play games, earn units based on your playtime, and then redeem those units for gift cards. It is straightforward and fast to understand. If Alex plays for an hour, he sees his progress almost immediately in units, which makes it feel more active and engaging. Now long game works very differently. It is connected to savings and financial habits. You earn rewards through saving money and building financial goals. Instead of playing games for direct points, you are rewarded for depositing and holding money in savings accounts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay focuses on short-term earning through gameplay, while long game focuses on long-term financial behavior. One is entertainment-based, the other is finance-based. But here's the problem. Many users compare them directly as if they are the same type of app. That leads to confusion. Jake might expect fast cash rewards from long game and feel disappointed, while someone else might expect financial growth from Mistplay and get the wrong idea. Let's talk about earning potential. Mistplay is better if your goal is small, consistent rewards like gift cards. It is simple, but it requires active time. You earn only when you play. Long game is better if your goal is building savings habits while earning small rewards over time. The rewards are not instant, but the financial structure is more long-term focused. Now here's another key difference most people miss. Mistplay is more widely accessible for casual users who just want quick entertainment-based rewards. Long game requires more financial setup and is not designed for quick earning at all. So if you are like John and want something fun, simple and active, Mistplay fits better. But if you want passive financial growth with long-term benefits, long game is the stronger option. Another important point is availability. Mistplay is region limited and mostly works in selected countries. Long game availability can also vary depending on banking partnerships and location. To quickly summarize, Mistplay is best for fast, game-based gift card rewards. Long game is best for long-term savings-based incentives. They are not competitors, but completely different systems. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, leave a comment with which app you prefer, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you choose smarter.